Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install RAR and ZIP packing or unpacking app on Lenovo Tab P11 Plus. And to do this we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Here try to find the app called RAR. It's RAR. Hit the search button, find the app and install it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to launch it, allow access to manage all files and go back. From here the app is ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.